storage and connected to the cell.
Okay.
Pasetting mo siya.
Sige, sir.
Adobe siya eh.
Sige, sir.
Dati Adobe eh.
Yan.
So dalawa lang yan eh.
So,
Tagal kasi magbukas pag Adobe.
Yan.
Mas low-tech naman yung mga laptop na. Oo nga.
So that's
Eh,
the
yung ano?
connection.
Yung tinuna ko, nakita mo na? Orange yung sabi.
Sige, sir.
Ilaw eh. Nakita mo na ba? Oo. Ilaw.
storage. Oops. Paano i-access yung...
Let's go to the office. The file manager is there. And your memory card. Are you using the 71.1 MB?
Yes.
Okay. Then, for example, you've got files.
Images.
Okay. And you want to transfer the image. Sige. So you do long press. You can do copy. Sige,
Copy to folder.
Yeah. Okay. You can put it into the phone memory or the mass memory. Just put it in the root na lang, sir. So what? Ayan. So if you want to put it
Phone
back,
memory.
here, nasa root lang siya, sir.
Yun na. Go.
Here you go. This is your image. And that's yours.
Ano? Bukas ha?
Wow. Easy.
Yun na.
Amazing. Great.